As the monsoon season arrives, it brings relief from the scorching heat and rejuvenates the surroundings. But it may not be the best season for people with respiratory issues. Let's understand how monsoon affects indoor air quality. Number 1, increased humidity levels. The monsoon season often brings high humidity, which can lead to the growth of mold, mildew, and dust mites. Number 2, airborne allergens. The damp environment during monsoon can also promote the release of allergens such as pollen, pet dander, and dust, triggering allergies and respiratory issues. Number 3, indoor pollutants. With windows and doors kept closed during the rain, the concentration of indoor pollutants and indoor chemical residues can increase. Here are some tips for maintaining healthy indoor air quality. Number 1, ensure proper ventilation. Open windows and doors to allow air circulation. Number 2, control moisture and prevent mold growth. Number 3, vacuum and dust frequently to minimize the accumulation of allergens. Number 4, clean and wash curtains, carpets, and upholstery regularly to eliminate dust mites and allergens. Number 5, use air purifier to remove airborne particles and improve indoor air quality. Number 6, avoid smoking indoors. Number 7, keep indoor plants such as spider plants and peace lilies, as they can help purify the air by absorbing toxins and releasing oxygen. So now you are ready for the monsoon season. Stay healthy and stay tuned. See you in the next video.